Hello students, welcome back. Today I am discussing our new topic, class 7 chapter 3 scratch second. Today I am discussing new block, looks block, pen block and sound block we can use. So we can say different kind of animation and games and stories we can create. So last time I have discussed about event block, motion block and control block, but today I am discussing our looks block, pen blocks and sound block. So what is the use of looks block? With the help of look box we can changing the appearance of the sprite and the stage. Okay, we can changing the looks, changing the appearance of sprite. Okay, so now you can see this is our scratch screen, this is our stage, this is our script area. Okay, so here I am giving one example. So first we can use this sprite and here I am using looks. Okay, in looks we can use different kind of things. Okay, so first we can use change color. Okay, here I am using the change color and this change color we can use here I am using the color. Okay, now here I am using motion here we can use move 10 steps. Okay, when this object will move in 10 steps automatically change the color. Okay, so always change the color. So here I am using the control block. So here I am using forever means always it will when it move 10 steps then automatically change the color. Okay, but when, so here I am using when we click on this, Okay students, now you can see here I am clicking this object, now you can see the result. Okay, so every time it will move. Okay, always 10 steps and change the color, you can see automatically. Okay students, so here looks automatically change, here looks is automatically change. Okay, so you can see the effect, you can see on the full screen also. So here I am using this thing here. Okay, first we stop this thing and okay, again because here we can again move here. Okay, now we move the full screen, now we can play this thing. Now you can see change the color of our looks. Now we can stop this thing. Okay students, now next time we will discuss about, so I want to here I am using the looks block. Okay, change the color, each time will move in 10 steps. Okay students, now next thing we can use our pen block. This is our pen block. So what is the use of pen block? With the help of pen block we can sprite to become a writing instrument. Okay, so this object will write anything, so for this purpose we can use pen block. Okay, so clear stamp, there are so many different kind of thing we can use with the help of pen block. So we can use, so here we can use a coding. Okay, so here we use clear. Okay, then we can use set pen color 2. So here I am using this thing. Okay, now we can use again set pen color 2. Okay, set pen color 2. Okay, here I am using this thing. Okay students, now here we can use when click. Okay students, now when you click this object, okay, Now we can use pen. First we change the value 15. Okay, now when you click this, so here we can use okay, first we simply use our pen down and we can use our event when click. Okay, so when you click and it will pen down the effect. Okay, so we can give the pen down effects. Okay, so simply we can use our down arrow key. Okay, we can use our down arrow key. Okay, and we can use pen and set pen color. Okay, now we can use down arrow key and we can give the effect, but it requires more coding. Okay students, now we can use our sound effect. We can also give a sound effect. Okay, so for this sound effect we can use there are different kind of sounds. Okay, we can use. So first we choose the sprite library. Suppose here I am using this ball and then we click the OK. First we select, then we click the OK button. Because Scratch is under processing. Okay, now we click the OK button. Now you can see this time this object you can see. Here you can see costume, but here I am using the sound. Okay, but there are so many different kind of. So here I am using clapping. Okay, then here I am using OK. Now you can see the voice of clapping. Okay, we can use this sound also. Okay, so we can use the sound also. Okay, so we can use event. Here I am using sound, here I am using play sound. Okay, when you click, so automatically it play the sound. Okay, now we can see in full screen. We can see in full screen when you click, so it will give the sound also. Okay students, now we can stop this thing and close the thing. Okay students, so today I am discussing our looks block. We can change the appearance. Pen block, so it will write anything, and we can use sound block. Okay, but here we can select this thing and we can costume and we can delete, we can clear this object. Okay, and you can click this object and you can remove this object. Here I am again click the object, and here we can use the motion and we can use move 10 step. Okay, then we can connect this. When you press the down arrow key, okay, so it will write a line. Okay, pen down, so it will write a line. Okay, again you can see here I am using, and it will write a line. So pen block, when you use set the pen color, so here we can use pen down and color you can change. Okay students, now here again I am pressing the down arrow key. Now you can see the effect. Okay, here we can see the full screen, so you can see the effect. Okay, different kind of effect you can see. move 10 steps and then pen down when you press the down arrow key. Okay, so it will generate the line. Okay, so there are different kind of things we can perform with the help of Scratch. So today we can see change the appearance, change the pen block. We can also give the sound of our objects. So this type of thing we can use in our Scratch software. Okay students, thank you so much.